In this video, we will learn how to calculate markup for the monopoly. The question is, for a monopoly firm, the demand curve is Q is equal to 20 minus 2P. Q is the quantity, P is the price. For profit maximizing quantity of 8 units, markup of the firm is, options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay, so markup for monopoly is calculated by using the Lerner's index, which tells us, which shows us the relationship between price and marginal cost. So markup is equal to price minus marginal cost upon price, which is equal to negative of elasticity of demand. Okay, so this also measures the degree of monopoly. So since we need to find out the markup of the firm, so we need to find out price and marginal cost. So let us solve this demand function for price to get the inverse demand function. So we'll get 2P is equal to 20 minus Q, and we know that profit maximizing quantity is 8, so we can write 2P is equal to 20 minus 8, or 2P is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 2, we will get P will be equal to 6. Okay, we know for the monopoly that marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Okay, this is the profit maximizing condition in case of monopoly. So we need to find out the marginal revenue also. Okay, so if we solve this demand function, we will get P is equal to 10 minus 0.5 Q. If we divide both sides by, let me write it here. So solving this, dividing both sides by 2, P will be equal to 10 minus 1 upon 2Q. This is our inverse demand function. So let's first find out the total revenue, which is price into output, which will be 10 minus 1 upon 2Q. To this we multiply by Q to get the total revenue, which is equal to 10Q minus 1 upon 2Q square. So marginal revenue is simply the derivative of this total revenue function with respect to Q. Derivative of Q is 1 in the first term, we are left with 10. Derivative of Q square is 2Q, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, we are left with this. So this is our marginal revenue. Now we know that marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost in case of monopoly. So since this is marginal revenue, so our marginal revenue will be equal to 10 minus profit maximizing quantity is 8, so marginal revenue is equal to 2. That means our marginal cost will also be 2, which implies marginal cost is equal to 2, because marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Now markup will be equal to, so markup will be equal to price minus marginal cost upon price. So price we calculate as 6, marginal cost is 2 divided by price, which is 6, so we'll get 4 upon 6, which is 2 upon 3, which will come out to be 0.66, which is equal to 0.67. So markup for the firm will be 0.67. So correct option should be B option.